Hello, my name is Branch Hurd, and this is Nathan Mankel. We will be the presenters for the Accounting 2301 International Project, and we would like to start off this presentation with two quotes. The first one from Wallace D. Wattles. It is essential to have good tools, but it is also essential that the tools should be used in the right way. And the second one from Rodney Brooke. Artificial intelligence is a tool, not a threat. Our presentation will be on how artificial intelligence can be useful and harmful to businesses, and is presented by and has been worked on by Branch Hurd, Christian Castillo, Nathan Mankel, Mari Zavala, Matthew Gomez, Maggie Parker, and Jamie Durden. Nathan?
Our main topics for this presentation is how AI could affect the economy, the positives and negatives of open source AI within the business, how AI could cause fraud and prevent fraud, and how AI could benefit business management. The rise of AI in the recent years. In recent years, AI has become more advanced and seen to be used more often. Programs like ChatGPT, Stable Diffusion, and DALL-E are being used more often within school imagery usages. Businesses are using more AI in their own work for customer service, cybersecurity, fraud management, and general management like inventory. AI has become more efficient and more reliable, resulting in more productivity. AI has been also enhanced in the internal business process like data and production.
Now for the potential effects that AI could have on the economy in the future. One effect that AI could have is automation of jobs. AI-driven automation may lead to the displacement of certain jobs. This is because as tasks become more efficiently performed by machines, it could potentially cause unemployment in certain sectors of the economy. However, it could also cause economic growth. AI can boost productivity and efficiency across multiple industries, which can lead to economic growth through innovation, cost reduction, and new market opportunities. A third effect is skill shifts. The demand for certain skills may change as AI becomes more integrated into the economy, and jobs with an increased emphasis on skills such as data analysis, programming, and AI management will grow in demand. Fourthly, we could see income inequality. There is a risk that AI could exacerbate income inequality if the benefits are not equally distributed, and those with skills that can leverage AI could see significant gains in the economy. However, there are some that could see job displacement, as previously mentioned. And finally, we could see new job creation. While some jobs could be automated by AI, it also has the potential to create new job opportunities, and fields can be created and expanded in areas such as AI development, maintenance, oversight, and industries can be created through the advancement of AI technologies. Now, how can open source AI be applied in the identification of fraud? Well, it can be used in anomaly detection, where OpenAI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data to identify unusual patterns or behaviors. It can also be used in natural language processing, or NLP, where NLP models can be employed to analyze text data. This data can include emails, customer support chats, or social media interactions, and it can be used to detect suspicious language or communication patterns that are associated with fraud. It can also be used in predictive analytics. OpenAI's predictive modeling capabilities can forecast potentially fraudulent activities. That's based on historical data, and it can enable proactive measures to prevent fraud before it occurs. It can also be used in image recognition. By using computer vision algorithms, OpenAI can analyze images or documents that are associated with transactions to detect forged documents or altered images or other visual cues that are indicative of fraud. And finally, we have behavioral analysis. OpenAI can develop models that analyze user behavior over time to establish normal patterns and flag deviations. And these deviations could indicate fraudulent activities such as sudden changes in spending habits or transaction frequencies of users. All right, now for how AI can be used to prevent fraud. AI has been and continues to be helpful with preventing fraud with the help of AI network protective machines that improve learning of intrusion detection systems, and they do this by broadening the search beyond previously identified threats. It can also be used in endpoint protection, and it can prevent attacks such as ransomware by learning the typical malware behaviors. It can also suspect user behavior. The machine can identify fraud or compromised applications as they occur. AI can be used to prevent credit card fraud by learning historical data of the user or users and can adjust its rules to stop threats it may never have seen before. Now, common types of fraud that AI can detect is, as previously mentioned, credit card fraud. Fraudsters don't crack cards manually. What they do is they get bots to do it, and what AI can be used for is to distinguish between the typical user behavior and between malicious bots. And some benefits of using AI in fraud is that there's real-time detection and threats can be blocked in milliseconds. And as time goes on, AI can be used better because as it gets more data, it will become better at predictions and take less time to be reactive. And also, it's a tool that can be used all the time. And when it comes to employees, they have to take time off, they have to sleep, they have vacation days, whereas AI, it never sleeps, it can go on 24/7 and can be a tool that's used by the company all the time.
Next slide is pros of AI business within business management. It improves efficiency. AI streamlines business processes, automates routine tasks, and enhances decision making, leading to an increased operational efficiency and productivity. It also enhances decision making. AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of data to provide actionable insights, aiding managers in making informed and timely decisions. And also personalized customer experience. AI-powered tools such as chatbots and recommendation systems enable businesses to offer tailored products and services, thereby enhancing customer satisfaction and loyalty. Predictive analytics. AI enables businesses to leverage predictive analytics, forecasting future trends, customer behaviors, and market demands. This productive approach helps organizations anticipate changes and adapt their strategies accordingly, staying ahead of the competition. Cons of AI in business management. 1, costs and challenges. Integrating AI technology into existing businesses' systems can be costly and complex, requiring significant investment in infrastructure, training, and talent. The second one is data privacy and security risk. AI relies on large data sets, raising concerns about data privacy and security breaches. Mishandling sensitive information could lead to a regulatory non-compliance and damage to business reputation. Dependency and job displacement. Over-reliance on AI may reduce job opportunities or human workers, particularly for routine tasks that can be automated. This could lead to unemployment and socioeconomic challenges if not managed efficiently. Ethical concerns. The use of AI in business management raises ethical considerations such as algorithmic bias, fairness, and unfair treatment, leading to legal and reputational risks for businesses.
Oh my God.
Now for how AI is used to commit fraud. Artificial intelligence is being used to duplicate identities and make fake ones, as well as to scam people over the phone. This process of fraud is called phishing. And another way that AI can be used to successfully commit fraud is by copying and forging passports and legal ID documents. And even now, AI can create fake videos and even clone bodies of people. And it can even clone voices now through ChatGPT, and it's become more advanced throughout the years, and examples of that is Siri and Alexa. Now, continued, viruses can be created by fraudsters by using code from sources such as ChatGPT, and the way they do this is by giving prompts to ChatGPT and then taking code from those prompts and then using that to create viruses and malware. That same process is also used for data decryption and encryption, which can be then used by fraudsters for ransomware and to invade different databases of companies and steal their information, then ransom the companies for it. And this information could include company projects and then private employee information such as W-4s, passports, social security numbers, what you can think of that a company will have on hands. They could get their hands on it and then ransom the company for that. AI can also be used to create and support different types of activity on the dark web. This activity could include different marketplaces where criminals exchange different types of stuff, and it can be used for that. Now, for the current relevancy of AI and how it will continue to be relevant as time goes on, AI is expected to improve industries such as healthcare, manufacturing, and customer services, helping to lead to higher quality experiences for both workers and customers. However, it does face challenges like increased regulation, data privacy concerns, and worries over job losses. There's also climate change. It can be used for climate change concerns. Optimists can use AI to make supply chains more efficient and carry out predictive maintenance and other such procedures to help reduce carbon emissions and make the environment better. And finally, it can be used for improved business automation. About 55% of organizations have used AI to varying degrees in the workplace, suggesting that increased automation for... Now to conclude this presentation, we'd like to restate the quote from the beginning of the presentation. It is essential to have good tools, but it is also essential that the tools should be used in the right way. Wallace D. Wattles. A great example or application of this quote is a hammer. A hammer can be used to construct houses and buildings, but can also be used to destroy. And the responsibility of creation and destruction does not lie in the tool, but it lies in the user of the tool. And the same can be said for artificial intelligence. So as artificial intelligence continues to grow and advance, we must examine ourselves and our actions to make sure that we are using our tools in the right way. Here is our reference slide of different sources that we used in the construction of this presentation.